we're going to use the diagram to complete the statements to the right. So first we want to figure out what triangle ABC is going to be equal to. So we have triangle ABC. Well, A is going to be congruent to D. So the first thing I'm going to do is color that in because I can see that this angle will be equal to that angle. So A to D. And now they want us to B. Well, B doesn't have anything and E doesn't have anything. So B is going to be congruent to E. And lastly, we have C. This angle is equal to that angle. So C is with C. So the only way to make sense of it would be A, orange, orange, and then B, which is going to be pink. So B to pink. And then we have yellow, which is going to be C to C. So our answer for number 19 would be D to E to F. And put in front of it a triangle just so we know what we're talking about. I just forgot to write that there. So triangle DEF is going to be similar to triangle ABC. Now we're creating a proportion. I don't know what's proportional 1. So I'm going to go from AB, goes from A to B, which is the same as saying D to E. So I'm going to use the color orange for that. A to B, D to E. Okay, so orange, orange. So from A to B is the same as saying D to E. Okay. Then we have it as E to F. What is EF going to be with? Well, EF is going to be right here. We start with the pink, so we go to pink as well. So E to F will be with BC. And lastly, what we're given is we're looking for what will be create a ratio with CA. CA is yellow, so that means it has to be FD. So what angle is congruent to angle B? Well, B is second in command, the pink. And E is also pink. So we have angle B is going to be congruent to angle E. Now we're trying to create a proportion with two ratios. So something over 12. Well, 12 here was orange. So this full thing has to be orange for it to be to create that ratio. And then 8. 8 is pink. So we need to create it with the pink as well. So we have 12 on the denominator. So if that's 12, that means that's x. And if 8's in the numerator, that's 8. That means we're looking at y.